Hello everyone, this is Blanca. Thanks for stopping by. In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing the 2020 Crafter's Companion Advent Calendar. This is the Merry Christmas calendar, and I purchased this from HSN and I received it a couple of days ago, so I want to go ahead and unbox everything. I cannot wait until December to open everything, so I'm just gonna go ahead and do that now. And then just open all 24 little boxes that are part of the Advent calendar. So I'm just going to go ahead and open them, and then towards the end I'll show you a close-up of all the different dies and stamps. This particular calendar, all the different items that came in it are stamps and then a coordinating die to cut that stamp. So all of them are that way, a stamp and a coordinating die. So I'm just gonna play some music now, and then I'll come back and show you a close-up of the different dies and snaps, yeah. I mean stamps that we got in the Advent calendar. And now I'm just finishing up unboxing the very last die and stamp. It's a very pretty snowflake, and now everything is done. Now I'm just gonna fold up the box that came in, and as you can see here is a tree shape box, and it's quite nice. So I just went ahead and tied it back up, and I can use it as a decoration, or I can use the Merry Christmas and some of the pieces of the box to use on cards if I want to. And here is a close-up of all the stamps and coordinating dies. I went ahead and stamped them. So we have a teapot, holidays, love, a gift, wishes, and hello. So these are pretty cute. And here we have our the thanks die, the one that says happy, baby, a rose, and a teapot. Those are quite cute as well. And on the next set of stamps and dies, we have a dragonfly, a board that says birthday, a little bird, and a word that says Christmas. All of this with coordinating dies. These are quite pretty. They stamp well too. And on this set, we have a little donut present, some leaves and foliage, and a word that says anniversary. And then we have the big snowflake and sort of a birdhouse with, again, everything with the matching die to cut the stamp. I really like the snowflake. That's one of my favorite things. And finally, we have a big butterfly, a heart, a sunflower, and a pumpkin. And these are sort of the bigger dies that came and stamps that came in the Advent calendar. So thank you so much for watching. I could not wait until December to open this. And also, if you want to watch the 2019 Advent calendar, everything that came in that calendar, I'll leave a link below. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you next time.